topic, integration. Integration is defined as the inverse of differentiation. For an integration, the general form is x raised to the power n plus 1 all over n plus 1. Question 1. Integrate 2x squared plus 1. Answer. 2x raised to the power 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus x plus constant. Our answer becomes 2s cubed plus 3 plus x plus k, where k is our constant. Number 2, evaluate function of 1 and 0, open, 2s cubed minus 4a plus 1. When we simplify, we have x to the power 4 over 2 minus 2s squared plus x plus k. Now, picking the maximum value of 1, we have 1 raised to the power 4 over 2 minus 2 bracket 1 raised to the power 2 plus 1. Since the next value is 0, we eliminate the other side. Our answer becomes minus half. Number 3, evaluate functional value of 2 and 1 into open bracket 2s raised to the power 3 plus 1 close dx. Solution. We have 2x to the power 4 over 4 plus x. Putting the maximum value 2 minus 2x to the power 4 over 4 plus x. Putting the minimum value 1. We'll simplify the left hand side and right hand side. We have 7 over 2. Number 4. Integrate 2 cos x. Answer. 2 times 1 sin x plus k. That is 2 sin x plus k. That brings us to the end of the topic, integration.